Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Millionaregame token. Ticker symbol is MG. This token is in their second stage of pre-sale right now. I've seen them trending in news articles, all sorts of different things. Very brand new project. We're going to talk about the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So, this token is in their pre-sale second stage right now. Now, if you go over to their Twitter, as always, I put the Twitter up in the corner of the screen there so you guys can easily find this project I'm talking about. At mgcoin_official, it says the life-changing MG coin, and their official webpage is listed on their Twitter there, Millionaregame.org. Now, their Twitter just joined in May 2023, so you can see that this is a very brand new project here. 99 tweets so far, very active on Twitter. Now, they finished their pre-sale stage 1, and they basically just announced June 19th, 7 days ago, that you can enter stage 2 now of the pre-sale. So they have a link to that, millionaregame.net/claim-discount. So, you know, how most pre-sales work is obviously it starts out low. You know, phase 1 is low, phase 2 is low, and then continuously the price gets higher for entry into the pre-sale until the pre-sale is over. Then they have their initial listing, all that type of stuff, ICO. So yeah, right now they're only in stage 2, so this is a very, very brand new project. So it's still very early for everybody here. Now, obviously not financial advice. Review this before investing. This is only information. Now, on their Twitter, though, as well, you can find a full link tree. So it says linktree/Millionairegame. Click on that. That will take you to pre-sale. You can join the pre-sale. Click on that. Underneath that is website. They have a full light paper on there. They have an audit report on there. Invariant audit. So you can check that out. There's a GitHub for that. They have their Etherscan on here. So this is an Ethereum token. Now, their Etherscan obviously only says 3 holders because they're not even at a pre-sale yet. But max total supply, it says, is 1 billion MG tokens, 18 decimal places on this token. So yeah, even contact us is on there. So you can review their audit, all that type of stuff here. If you go to their webpage, you can also find their white paper, or their light paper. So what is this project all about here? It says, imagine a cryptocurrency that combines the thrill of winning with the security and fairness of the cutting edge of blockchain tech, all while creating life-changing opportunities for its holders. Welcome to the Millionaregame. So it says there some of the features here. It's probably fair. They prove that this is all fair. That's what probably means, that it's provable. Rules are transparent, fair, and open, enforced by smart contracts. They have dynamic staking pools. So Millionaregame introduces multiple tiers of staking pools, offering varying levels of rewards and chances to win a big prize. Now, it says per month, token holders can win a prize. So if you're just lucky, or you're a token holder, you could be lucky and win a prize here. It says sustainable design with a capped token supply. So it says this will be sustainable for at least 50 years, and the token supply will be always capped at 1 billion tokens. So it says here, the Millionaregame token selects a winner for a prize through a smart contract-based mechanism. The process is fully automated and auditable, and the winner is just chosen at random, for all eligible token holders. So I mean, it's just like a meme token, but I mean, on top of that, they're just handing out prizes to just random token holders. So some of the token supply is allocated to that. So 20.18% of the token goes to the random prizes. 6.9% goes to central exchange listings. And then the rest, 72.92% of the tokens just goes to liquidity. And it says max total supply, that I mentioned earlier on their Etherscan, is 1 billion tokens. And it says it'll always be capped at that. So yeah, and they have, let's see here, they have different wallets, contract addresses, so you can verify central exchange listings, the prize wallet, liquidity pool. So they have a plan, aka roadmap. So they talk about token presale. They're going to have the listing on tier 1 central exchanges eventually here. The ecosystem program, and I guess it says here mint millionaires when it reaches over 40 million market cap. I guess that's when they start handing out the prizes. So token presale happens between 0 and 40 million market cap, and then all the other things kind of happen after that. So after that, then it'll be central exchange listings, then the prizes, and they have questions and answers on here. So it says, is this a lottery? No, this is not a lottery. Like, you don't have to like buy tickets or anything like that. It's just random chances, basically, to become a millionaire. I don't know if it's actually a millionaire. I mean, how much? It doesn't really specify how much money they're gonna just give to people. So I mean, we'll see. I mean, it all depends if they even reach 40 million market cap. If they, there's a whole bunch of factors that go into this, right? So it says, yeah, everything's transparent, open, so you can see all that in smart contracts. And it says their token reserves for that, the token allocation section, I think it was 20.18%. It says that won't run out for 50 years. So, yeah, they're just giving away prizes. The tokens are allocated to that. And other than that, it's just basically a meme coin. So if you just like meme coins and you just like random prizes, you can check out their audit as well. All that type of stuff is on here. You can join their pre-sale very easily. Just go over to Millionaregame.net. They have eventually it'll be a Uniswap launch as well after that. They got already a link to Uniswap on here. They have a Twitter, Discord, and Telegram listed all on their webpage. You can change the language. Check it all out, Millionaregame.net, and check out their Twitter. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section, what do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And check out all the referral codes down there in the description box. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.